Chapter 2, Lecture 4. Importance of forest. Forests are very useful in the life of man. They provide us with primary and secondary products. They are economically and environmentally beneficial for a country. Boat and steamers are made from the wood of the Sundari of the Sundarbans forest. Baskets, mats, toys, furniture, and artistic things are made from bamboo. Brooms are made from palm and date leaves, while catch is made from cashew trees. Paper pulp is made from deodar trees, and turpentine is made from cheat trees. Tea boxes, matchsticks, pot equipments, artificial fibers, and filaments are also made from leather and cheat trees. Sealing wax is used for making varnish, ink for printing materials for electronic device and gramophones. Now, how can you conserve forest? Many measures have been taken for the conservation and protection of forests. They are: first, cutting down of trees is forbidden. Severe punishment will be given to those who cut trees illegally. Trees should be grown and wasteland and people should be motivated towards afforestation. Sources of energy like solar energy, biogas, wind energy, and other renewable sources of energy should be used more. People should be alert and made aware about afforestation and necessary help should be provided. More forest research institutions should be established to develop the forest scientifically. An environment should be created that compels every Indian to work with responsibility towards the protection of forest. Now here one message: to cut a tree is to kill a man. Cutting trees lead to killing leaves. Now project work. Make a list 10 trees available in your village or city and find how useful they are medicines and an irregular life. Wildlife resources. The wildlife of India is different and varied. Different species of birds and animals from all over the world are there in India. The variety of wildlife found in India increases the nature beauty of the country. First, elephants are found in Karnataka, Kerala, and Assam. It is the longest mammals of India. They are used to carry wood and other goods from the one place to another in forest. Second, the one-horned rhinos found in India is a unique animal. They are found in the marshy areas of Assam and West Bengal. The wildest is found in run of Kutch and the camels in the desert area. Both lions and tigers are found in India. Asiatic lions are found in the Gir forest in Gujarat. The tigers of West Bengal, Royal Bengal tigers, are one of the 8 species of the world. Tigers are found in Madhya Pradesh, West Bengal, Uttarakhand, in the some areas of Himalayas. Tibetan bears are found in the Himalayas regions and in India in the Dediapada forest in Gujarat. The leopard, hyenas, blue bulls, wolf, black buck, deer, etc. are found in India. The langur, gibbons, hulu, and baboon are the different species of monkey found in India. A variety of birds are also seen in India. The duck, eagle, parrot, common mina, pigeon, mina, etc. are the various species of birds found in India. Among the among the most famous birds of the birds, the peacock, the national bird, is the most beautiful bird of all. Its attractiveness is due to its beautiful feathers. Cranes and the great Indian bustards, Gorad, which is heaviest bird of India, are the other attractive birds of India. The Rudi Seldak, Surkhab, lays their eggs in the sands of Run of Kutch. The Kiladev Bird Sanctuary of Rajasthan is the world's biggest sanctuary where almost 2.5 lakh birds are found. The Nal Sarovar of Gujarat is famous for birds which migrate from one all over the world. Fish of various kinds like the mackerel, lobster, Bombay duck, pomfret, herring, salmon, shark, dolphin, etc. are found in the eastern and western seacoast of India. Now you see here national sanctuary and which state and birds and animals. In Assam, Kaziranga National Sanctuary, hippopotamus, wild buffalo and deer animals found. Run of Thar in Rajasthan state, wolf of Run, cat of Run, Great Indian Bustard. Kanha in Madhya Pradesh, tiger and stag found. Gir National Sanctuary is found in Gujarat. Lion, leopard, chital found animals found in that sanctuary. Velavdar National Park in Gujarat. Black buck, khadmor, wolf, blue bull, and nilgai. Kilodev, Rajasthan, various birds are found. Bandipur in Karnataka, elephant, bear, pig, and wildcat found. Dachigam, Jammu and Kashmir, musk deer found. Corbett, Uttarakhand, lion, elephant, leopard, deer found.